Jamaica's finance minister, Faval Williams, recently claimed that workers could save $2,000 per month from the income tax threshold increase and buy a Toyota Probox in 3 years. Let's do the math. $2,000 times 36 months equals $72,000 JMD. A Probox costs over $2 million JMD. So, where exactly is she buying this imaginary car? To defend herself, she talked about selling cornmeal pudding under a tree in the 60s and 70s. But the Jamaica of the 1960s and 70s is not today's Jamaica. Minimum wage earners take home about $14,500 per week after deductions, and with skyrocketing food, rent, and transportation costs, expecting them to save anything is unrealistic. And let's be real, people who can save aren't buying Proboxes, which are mostly used as taxis. Own one, and expect strangers waving you down for a ride believing it's a taxi. The real issue? Blind loyalty. Williams supporters defend her nonsense despite the hardship Jamaicans face every day. They'd rather suffer than demand change, choosing party over survival. That's not patriotism, it's stupidity. Instead of spewing tone-deaf financial advice, Williams should push real policies that help working-class Jamaicans survive. Until then, Jamaicans will keep struggling while politicians stay in their bubble of privilege.